Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. As you might know, last week on Wednesday we actually attended to Lewis's grandma, Betty Campbell's statue unveiling in Cardiff. So today I think it's a great opportunity to tell you a little bit more about Betty Campbell as well.
Betty Campbell was an inspirational and powerful member of the Newtown community in Cardiff. Against all the odds, she rose to become Wales' first black headmistress, making education her life's work. So this wonderful sculpture was made by the sculptor Shepherd with the concept of using the mother tree, which is a tree that nurtures and protects its young saplings. Not only does the sculpture depict Betty Campbell's likeness, but it also shows small children of different nationalities and cultures all learning underneath the mother tree of Betty Campbell, and as different architectural elements of the Newtown and Tiger Bay community, and as many other hidden historical figures such as Nelson Mandela and many others which even I haven't been able to spot yet. So it's really worth going to Cardiff and seeing this wonderful sculpture.
If you want to know a bit more about the sculpture and also the concept behind them, you should definitely check out Shepherd's Instagram as well, and then to know about a bit more about the sculpture. So all the information, it will be in the description as well. So for this event, I also made a paper wreath that with the Nana Betty's favourite flowers, that is the kind of tulips and carnations in bright colours. So we're going to show you how to make this wreath as well. So you can choose to use your own flowers and then use the same concept to create your own wreath as well for Christmas or any holiday events as well. So check it out.
Let me show you how do I put the wreath together. First of all, prepare as much flower as you like. I've made 5 carnations in 15 cm long and 3 tulips in 30 cm. Curl the tulip wire a little for shaping. Bend the head of the carnation so it's facing you. Give a little space in between each flower. I've held the flower location by using a paper clip. A small piece of tape is actually much easier. It might take a little while to put the flowers together. We are basically making a strip of flower wire, but remember to bend the wire as you progress so a wreath shape is formed. Fold the last bit of the wire to the beginning of the wreath. Your flowers are now lined up. We just need to wrap the whole wreath with a strip of green crepe paper. Don't forget to cover all the tapes. Move the flowers around if they are in the way. If you are very confident with structures, you can simply skip this step without marking the positions. the end, join the beginning and the end together. Trim the wire if it's too long. Use a big paper clip to hold the openings together. Wrap the wires together the same way as wrapping the flowers together. Shape the ring into a rounded shape. Don't forget our tulip can also open up. Our basic structure is done. But I think it's rather empty, so I've also made 2 basic leaf stems to go with the flowers. Take out a piece of 26 gauge wire and wrap the whole stem with the green crepe paper. Use the wrapped wire to hold the leaf in place. Wrap a few rounds so the leaf is secure. Almost done. We just need another stem of leaves. If the attachment point is already in place, we can unravel the wire and wrap it again to minimize unnecessary holding points. Shape the leaves, and we are done. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you will know a little bit more about us. And all our DIY kits and templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next week.